Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunit.com. Today I am at President Science College, which is at Sayona campus, which is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Qureshi Umar Farooq sir. He is a HOD in Botany department. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
So sir, starting with the questionnaire session sir. My first question to you is, being the HOD of a Botany department, what are your roles and responsibilities toward the students?
Okay. Being a HOD in Botany Department at President Science College, my first priority is to listen to the students to solve all the queries of, which are facing students. Basically, in Gujarat, there are lots of students which are preferring Gujarati medium, and they are most probably not well understood English, or because of that, my first priority to teach them very good English. So all these subjects which are teach or taught in our department is both language, English and Gujarati. So the terminology for the English and Gujarati we also elaborate with them. So this is the first initiative we taken or responsibility. Second, our responsibility is the providing the reading material. Okay, so we give best reading material, point wise questions and answers to the students, as well as we are also giving them MCQs, SQs, long questions and IMP questions to the students for their university exam as well as for college exam, so they can easily prepare them. And we are also trained them with that how to write the paper and all that. So this is my responsibility towards the students. Besides that, my responsibility towards my faculty also, because my faculty is my pillar of the department. So I have also listened to my faculty for their requirement, lab requirement, for their any kind of issues occurred. So I have to solve all these problems within my limitation.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Okay, so botany is a very vast subject. In botany, you will find agriculture, plant tissue culture, industrial, pharmacological. So after you completing BSc, any college, you have job opportunity in this field. So we are trained our students for this industrial training program. So we have hands-on training program here. So here we teach students for plantation of the plants, how you can plant the plants in the pot scientifically. Then we have plant tissue culture laboratory. So how the plant tissue culture you can develop, along with that gardening, horticulture, then permanent slide preparation. Besides that, we are also giving them identification of plants. Generally, we have lots of plants surrounding us, but we are not knowing the name of that plant, scientific name plant. So botany is the subject of naming of plants and all that physiological and its economical value of the plant. So we practice them how to identify the plants in the forest area or in the garden or your surrounding place. So for that, we are providing them a study tour across the Gujarat. Various places, for example, Saputara, then we have Dediapada, Mount Abu. These are the places where we explore the plants, and we taught the students how you can identify a plant and how you can name that plant. So we are taught them. Along with that, we are also taught them how to prepare your CV, how you face your interview when you complete your BSc or when you get to the any kind of interview. So these are the practice offer for the extra to the students.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, do you have any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skill of students or expose them to the real world challenges?
Yes, we have very good extracurricular activity regarding the development of students. We have international and national seminars. So in our department, we organize certain seminars for to know about what are the researches taken on in the world or in our India also. So there are various scientists. They will give the information regarding the projects. What is the future aspects of the research in botany. So we are giving them students to the these seminars. Along with that, we are also students prepare for the competition, poster competition or oral presentation for the platform fairness. So, but this kind of activity, we are extracurricular activity. Along with that, we have also extracurricular activity regarding the gardens. Okay, so how you can prepare a garden, maintain a garden, this kind of activity we are also providing extracurricular within the botany. Along with that, we have also certain activities regarding like yoga session. Okay, so we have yoga session, then we have rifle club. So this activity is taken by our college, not department. So our college providing other extracurricular activity to the students.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So, sir, jumping to the last question, what do you see the department's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Okay, so in our department, greatest strength. Okay, we are the faculty which is very well educated. We can say that most of our faculties completed the PhD. So they have higher qualified faculty, as well as we have also faculty like they have research experience in the various fields, like, including taxonomy, ethnobotany, environmental science. Then we have also lab assistants. We have also well experienced lab assistants. We can enhance our strength by the projects. So we take certain projects by government funding agencies and private funding agencies. Through that, we also connect the students how you can perform any kind of projects and how you can write a report. So we are also providing training to these students.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your department, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir, for being a part
Thank you
of
so
College
much.
Media, sir.
Thank you.